Did you know the average salary after an MBA from the USA is over $150,000? Where the top business schools like Columbia, Cornell, and Wharton boast salaries upward $160,000. That's truly amazing, right?
ब्रो यूरोपियन बी स्कूल्स के भी सैलरी प्रोस्पेक्ट्स कुछ कम नहीं है। MBA ग्रेजुएट्स फ्रॉम लंदन बिजनेस स्कूल्स और INSEAD इजीली मेक $130,000 to $140,000। और हाँ, यूएस सैलरीज की जो तू बात कर रहा है ना, आई एग्री सैलरी $150,000 है, बट व्हाट अबाउट द ट्यूशन फी? वो भी तो $100,000 के अराउंड है।
So what? मेन थिंग तो ROI है ना, उसको कैलकुलेट कर लो तो डिफरेंस तो आप लोगों को पता चल ही जाएगा।
हाँ, ROI, ट्यूशन फीस, सैलरी, पोस्ट वीजा, वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटी सब डिस्कस करेंगे। बट बिफोर दैट आई वांट यू टू टेल आवर ऑडियंस समथिंग स्पेशल।
चल ठीक है, अब इतना बोल रही है तो ये भी बता ही देते हैं इन लोगों को। If you are serious about doing an MBA from the USA or Europe but are not sure about the right college, then our team is here to help you guys. You can book a free 20-minute consultation session with our study abroad expert from the link in the description box below, and they'll help you in selecting the right school, crafting standout essays, SOPs, LORs, and much more.
Hello everyone, my name is Soumya.
And my name is Vishal. And in today's video, we'll be discussing some key insights that will help you decide whether you should do an MBA in the USA or the Europe. Our discussion will be based on parameters like educational requirement, work experience,
Post-study work visa, tuition fees, living expenses, and much more.
Now, let's get started. Point number 1, educational requirements and admission process. To apply for an MBA in the USA, you'll need a bachelor's degree from a recognized university, and most of the top business schools in the USA require you to have a GMAT score between 700 to 750.
और यूरोप में भी most business schools have similar educational requirements. You'll need a bachelor's degree and a GMAT score in the same range. But some top European B schools like INSEAD and HEC Paris also focus heavily on PI and might even waive off the GMAT score if you have a strong academic and professional background.
I completely agree with you, but USA का admission process is far more holistic. Schools like Columbia and Cornell, they don't just look at your GMAT, but look at your entire profile. They also gauge you based on extracurriculars and other parameters.
हाँ, यूरोप में भी holistic approach होता है, but they tend to put more weight on your international exposure. So I think both countries have similar requirements.
ठीक है, I completely agree.
So the point is neutral, I guess.
चल तो फिर ठीक है, अब टॉप बी स्कूल्स की बात कर लेते हैं। वहां तो देख लेना यूएसए का ही डोमिनेशन होने वाला है।
So Europe में you've got prestigious universities like INSEAD, LBS, HEC Paris and IE Business School. और ये सारे के सारे top 10 है worldwide.
True, Europe has some top tier business schools, but the USA has big names like Columbia, MIT, Wharton, Duke Fuqua, and trust me, the list is endless.
चलो okay, I get it. US के top B schools are prestigious. But Europe's MBAs are one-year programs like INSEAD, which means you can finish quickly and get back to workforce sooner.
I agree, but most MBAs in the USA are 2 years long, which gives you more time to explore industries, do internships, and network. And this extra time help you really dig into different career paths, and which is why many students prefer the USA or even the MBA in general.
Okay, fair point. So I guess ये point भी हमें mutually share करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा चल, no worries, कर लेते हैं इस point को share, but आगे का point भी discuss कर लेते हैं. Is it the tuition fees, right?
In Europe, the average tuition fees is between $50,000 to $80,000, which is significantly lower than most US schools.
See, I completely agree with you. Tuition fees in European business school are generally more affordable. और यहीं अगर हम US की बात करें, so the average tuition fees is between $90,000 to $100,000. But फिर वही बात आ जाती है ना कि ROI makes up for the cost in most of the cases.
अरे तो कोई बात नहीं, यूरोपियन बी स्कूल्स का भी ROI थोड़ा कम नहीं है सर।
चल ठीक है, ये पॉइंट मैं तुझे दे देता हूँ, बट डोंट फॉरगेट अमेरिकन बिजनेस स्कूल्स ऑफर स्कॉलरशिप्स एंड मैनी फाइनेंशियल एड्स व्हिच कैन सिग्निफिकेंटली ब्रिंग डाउन योर ओवरऑल कॉस्ट। तो इतना ज्यादा फर्क है नहीं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट।
चल ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं और पोस्ट MBA सैलरीज की बात करते हैं।
Bro, graduates from top business schools in the USA like Cornell, Wharton, Columbia can easily earn up to $150,000 to $160,000 as starting salary, and in fields like investment banking or consulting, it can go up to $200,000. और यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए, अगर सिर्फ कोलंबिया बिजनेस स्कूल का 3 ईयर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन ROI देखें, then it's around 700%, और ऐसे B schools भरे पड़े हैं US में।
I agree. Salaries in the USA are impressive, but in Europe, graduates from schools like INSEAD or LBS also make around $120,000 to $140,000 starting out. Plus, since tuition fees are low, you can achieve a faster ROI typically within 1 to 2 years.
But still, if we take the average salary post MBA, then USA is a clear winner here.
Okay, I give this point to you. चलो post study work visa की बात कर लेते हैं।
कर लेते हैं, वो भी देख लेंगे।
Europe has some great options when it comes to post-study work visas. For example, in countries like France, Germany, MBA graduates get a 2 years post-study work visa, allowing them to find jobs and settle down easily. Plus, countries like the UK now offer a 2-year graduate visa as well.
That's true, but in the USA, international students can get up to 3 years of work authorization through OPT, especially for STEM designated program. This gives MBA grads more time to work and potentially apply for H-1B visa.
चल यार, अब काफी कुछ डिस्कस कर लिया है, अब रैप अप करते हैं.
चलो ठीक है. We hope that you like this video and now you know what all is important, so you can decide for yourself whether you need to study MBA in the USA or Europe. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MIMSA for more study abroad content like this.
But if you're still confused about which degree, country or school will be better for you, I would strongly recommend you to go ahead and book a 20 minutes free consulting session, and you can find the link in the description below. Bye guys!